how to make hip hop beats using Suno and ChatGPT. So we listened to Drake, Future, Molly Santana, Rantalanta. So what we have here in ChatGPT is, in Suno, describe a instrumental from Nintendo Contra game in old Nintendo games when you are fighting a boss. So that's the type of you hear in Drake's song. So what it's giving us is a high energy retro 8-bit action game instrumental. Now we want to mix this with trap. With the trap beats, right? All right, we made it real simple. We said Suno created a hip hop beat using retro 8-bit action game instrumental. Make it 808 bass heavy with string synthesizers. This is a rap party for ladies to dance to, and it's like Drake music. So let's see what this thing give us. It shouldn't give us no stupid crap like last time. So let's go. See, I like this. I like this. This is good. You know, you go to an anime place, you know, you go to Comic-Con with all those girls that like, ladies that like all those animes. You say, hey, what's up? I can see some ladies getting down to this beat. Okay, all right. So there you have it. That's all you gotta do. We cracked the secret to making a good Drake song like Future and Drake. I could definitely hear them on this. Wow, it's really banging. So the prompt we use is, in Suno, create a trap hip hop beat using retro 8-bit action game instrumentals. Make it 808 bass heavy with string synthesizers. Hey, this is for a party. It's for ladies to dance to. Make it like a Drake music. Come on, guy.